the record, I was singing out here on the weather deck just a different song. It was Ray Parker and Radio.
Oh, okay.
You can't change that. You're the one Anyway.
All right, maybe you should stick to the forecast. It's 4:12 right now. We're so happy that people are waking up with us on this Valentine's Day, and I have to say I'm really loving the weather today. It's not too bad for winter.
It's nothing going on, which is good in February.
Good.
You know, we don't have to worry about any big snowfall today. Stanislaw Skywatch live at downtown Syracuse. I really shouldn't sing because my throat hurts anyway.
Yes, you're a little bit under the weather.
Yeah, slightly. I'm always under the weather if I'm forecasting. Here's a look at what's going on right now, Lisa. Just have some clouds, and this actually came in right as it was supposed to. So take a look at the weather maps. Overnight, we had clear skies and then clouds coming in. You could actually see right in New York State, there was that. Remember we talked about a system just barely missing us to the south? Well, that's exactly what happened. If you look at this picture over the last 12 hours, there was snow in the Poconos. There was snow in the Catskills. There was snow almost to the 88 corridor, and then it missed, which was, you know, our forecast. But this is why you got to be careful in the forecast, because that was a near miss, but it worked out to be our right forecast. So for a little while, we had clear skies right there. And now, as expected, a little bit of cloud cover. That's where we'll start today. Got a batch of clouds coming off the lake, but this should be pretty short-lived. We'll have to work through these clouds at least through parts of the morning. And I think by midday and certainly in the afternoon, we should have some sunshine and a mix of sun and increasing clouds late today. It is Valentine's Day, so here's your special Valentine's Day Daycast. Is there a lot going on in this graphic? I know. Well, I mean, it's Valentine's Day. Look for a high of about 40 degrees. Overnight, now if you're going to go out to dinner tonight, don't be surprised that around 6 o'clock or probably more like 8 o'clock, there'll be a few wet flakes of snow or a few raindrops of little consequence as the system's kind of meandering through. Temperature should stay in the 30s overnight. On Friday, clouds. The thickest clouds for the longest duration of the day is going to be east of Lake Ontario, where there'll be some snow and rain showers. But within the immediate central New York area, I wouldn't be surprised if we actually have intervals of sunshine and a high at or above 40. Now, if you've been tuning in regularly, I've been talking about the weekend, Friday night and Saturday especially, having some question marks on what's going to happen. And I can actually show you this now with our Futurecast. On Friday night, there's going to be this wave, somewhat like what we just saw last night. Remember when the satellite picture we just showed you, a batch of rain and snow just missing us? Well, another one of these little slider systems will threaten us. Now, whether we get hit by this or just a northwest wind off the lake, either way, there's going to be some snow showers and flurries. We'll keep an eye on that southern system to see if it gets closer, because there are a couple of computer models that indicate this. Either way, Saturday, snow showers, flurries, embedded squalls, 25. Ditto that Saturday night and Sunday. The point on the weekend is that we're trending much colder than what we're going to see today and tomorrow, and we will have some localized accumulations one way or another. That's a look at your forecast. Back inside.